Hello everyone, my name is Harrison Stanley, and I'm a write-in candidate for Ohio's 29th House District. I wanted to talk to you a little bit to say who I am and why I'm running. I'm a person of action. I believe that people are what they do as opposed to who they just say they are. I have lived in many places, growing up in an active duty military family, and I've seen much of the Western world and have had the opportunity to take great influence from it. I've conducted archaeology in the Ohio River Valley and have had my own research published. I've engaged with multiple professional and advocacy organizations, and I've held several elected leadership positions, including vice president and scholarship chairman of a 501c nonprofit. I've also had the honor of helping facilitate multiple leadership retreats across Ohio and in Indiana. I'm running because I strongly believe that the demands of the future won't be met by more of the same governance we have now. I'm most passionate about the following: education. We need to help our next generation not only survive but thrive by improving schools across our state. Healthcare. Thousands within our district alone can't afford to get sick, even more now as many have lost their jobs due to the incoming recession and COVID-19. We must ensure families don't go bankrupt due to illness. Infrastructure. Much of our infrastructure across Ohio is crumbling. We need to reinvest in our state and provide good jobs to make sure it's done properly. And finally, policing reform. This is presented as a highly partisan issue. It shouldn't be. We need a state licensing board for accountability and to reevaluate whether mass incarceration is the answer. In short, I'm running because I believe that Ohio can be great for everyone, but we need people willing to do what ought to be done. I am not a Republican. I am not a Democrat. I am an Ohioan, and I want to help so that you can live your best life. Thank you very much.